back here, Romans. This is right choice to Lam. Now I'm standing on the point me put in Baloxi. So very big place to enjoy in this game today. Argentina and Brazil. Argentina and Brazil are two teams playing on the game. Also, you know that two little team is starting on the game and today. So it is very high time for me and for watch. So Argentina and Brazil are very competitive team in our country. So very big players and very big team in the world. So that's why it's a very high team and very good played for all the players. And Brazil are very running team and Argentina is very creative team to this game. Always starting on the point. So it's also help our mind and uh, soul, and it refreshes our mind and soul. So every time you will play the game and all the time to refresh your mind and soul, and every time it helps your body and mind. So always time you'll try to play the game on the ground. Thank you very much. Stay with us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.